What if I told you that you could create 100 social media posts in just 5 minutes? No, I'm not kidding. By the end of this video, you'll have an easy system that can generate months of content faster than you can scroll through TikTok. So let's dive in. Hey everyone, I'm Rahul. If you're like me, tired of spending hours creating social media content one post at a time, this video is going to be very helpful. I'm going to show you my exact 3-step system using AI, Google Sheets and Canva to bulk create more than 100 posts in less than 5 minutes. Make sure to stick around until the end because I will share a bonus tip on how to generate quality AI responses for your posts. First up, we need to focus on the prompt. Here's an example prompt. You can get started with this prompt. Basically replace your niche with your product ID or product URL. I'm going to make it my prompt a little bit more specific, where what kind of output I want. That is what I'm asking AI to do. So I'm asking instead of 100 to create 20. There's a reason for this, and I'm going to add a product URL. It could be a website, it could be app store link, and I'm asking it to create 3 fact-based tips and give me a headline. And the output should be in table format where column 1 will have a headline, column 2 will have idea 1, and so on, right? And I'm also sharing an example screenshot with you. So this is what I'm imagining, and this is how I want my tips to look, and you give me the output based on this screenshot. Now going back to the AI itself, I'm going to paste the screenshot, and I'm also going to paste this prompt. And let's see what it comes up with. Great. So we have our table. I can click on this button where I can click on copy, open a new Google Sheet. Now here's a pro tip. Enter sheets.new in your browser and it will automatically open a new sheet. I'll just paste whatever output Cloud gave me. Maybe what I'll do is I'll reduce the size. Okay, so now we have our headline, we have our tip 1, tip 2, tip 3. Okay, great. We now have a content. Here, usually what I'll do is I'll review some of these content, see if it makes sense for my social media posts, and then if everything is okay, then I'll proceed to the next step. Now going to Canva, I'm going to choose Instagram Reel as an option. You can choose whatever template you are looking for. It could be a post, it could be a TikTok Reel as well. So anything that works for you. So this will work with any kind of posts. I'm going to add a simple background for now. You can replace this. So this is a placeholder. You can replace this with your own branding video. I'll just change the color and I'll duplicate this. And I'll rename this as idea 1. I'm going to rename this as headline. Okay, so now we have our base, what we have created in the spreadsheet. I'm also going to rename this as Betterman Tips. Coming back to Canva, I'll click on this quick actions button and I'll search for something called bulk create. You should see it. You can also search in the apps, you'll also find it there. And here I'll have an option for Google Sheets. I'll click on that. I will see my recent sheet here. I'll click on it just to confirm. Click on it again. I'll click on done. Now I can see the content from the sheet. Headline being the column name, tip 1, tip 2, tip 3. We have named it as idea 1, idea 2, idea 3. This copy does not matter. What matters is you need to connect the data. So when I click on the element itself, I'll see an option called connect data. This will only come on bulk create option. You won't see it otherwise. So if I click on connect data, then I'll get an option what data I need to connect from the sheet. So I can either connect headline, tip 1, tip 2, tip 3. So I'll just connect headline. And for idea 1, I'm going to connect tip 1. For idea 2, tip 2. And for idea 3, tip 3. So I can see that it is connected. And all this has turned purple as well. And I get an option called continue. I'm going to click on generate. If I click on view design again, Now you can see that more than 100 posts have been created. Now imagine you have your own branding, you figure out all the spacing, make sure the content is aligned. Each post is unique, on brand, ready to publish. No more staring at blank screen, wondering what to post next and what not. Here's a bonus tip I promised. Like I mentioned before, don't generate 100 ideas in one go. Do a batch of 20 and then 20 more. This helps with output quality from AI to be better. And you can also see or prompt and ask AI to do something different if you don't like the output. If this video saved you hours of content creation time, please support me by hitting that like button, subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.